Hey y'all, it's Sora'e here. If y'all want to learn how I achieve this style, just keep watching. So I'm gonna go very quickly through what I use. I talked a little bit about it inside the video, but I definitely want to show y'all what I use. So you're gonna need scissors, latch hook. I used this. It was a very large pack. It's 60 inches of double jumbo Afro twist hair, but you can use any Marley hair. I also use this hair to attach it to my hair instead of using the silkier hair because my hair is so short that it might slip out. And then lastly, for the actual curls, I use a human hair type feel hair, but it's deep twist. I didn't use this one, but you can use deep twist, any brand, honestly. I just found that this doesn't tangle as much, so I use this one. That would be this one that I used. So that is basically, well, aside from these products as well, Shine and Jam and conditioner. Oh, glue. That's it. That's all I use to achieve this style, and I also only use like one pack of each, if that. And that's it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, so alright, I'm gonna go finish taking these out, wash it, tone it. Okay, so just finished washing it. I put in some leave-in conditioner right here. Keep doing this. I'm looking in the mirror this way, by the way. So, ow. So when I when I bleached my hair, I basically fried it. My hair is basically dead. But, you know, you live and you learn. I often do this to my hair. And it's just hair. And it'll grow back. So, take this. Make it into this. Wait. Oh yeah. Make it into this little braid. Right here. A little braid. Bow. Okay. Next. So here I was just basically saying that I'm going to braid another one, and then I'm going to start attaching the curly pieces of hair to the ends. I'm using this yeah, I'm using this hair, super like thin, but it was perfect for what I'm using it for. And then I take it, I cut it in half, and then we're gonna take it to the little piece. We're gonna braid it around a little piece, and then we're going to twist it. I like twisting it because it creates, like, it's more versatile with the twist. With the twist than it is with the the braid. Yeah. So then, yeah. After this, I take a piece of what's basically the deep twist hair. You can, like, I got it in this. I'm not using this one though, but I did take the one I'm using out of the pack already. But basically the one I'm using is like human hair. The Zuri, I think that's a Z. Natural Dream Deep Wave 24 inches. Oh. No, we're just not gonna focus it. Okay. Hey. It don't wanna focus. Oh, bow. There we go. Basically taking some of that hair, which was on a weft, yeah. From the weft, so you ripped it in half. And then we're just gonna braid the other one. Like that. I forgot I can do this. Yeah, alright. So, braiding it on. You don't have to do this, but this is what I've been doing. I've been taking glue and I've been sticking it on the little attachment piece. Now you're not gonna want to do this if this is your hair, but as y'all saw, like my hair is like this big, so this big. So did that, put the little piece on there. And we're taking this hair, a double jumbo afro twist, and it comes like this. This Marley hair really, any Marley hair honestly works. I like variations or trying new ones just because sometimes you get a different pattern, so, and sometimes it's helpful. This piece of hair, this long piece, it's pretty long. Forgot how long it says on there. It says 60 inches. Yeah, we take this, we cut it in half. Whoop. Wow. Okay, cut it in half. One of the pieces, split it. Sometimes it just does that. I typically either keep it or cut it. It's not that big a deal. This piece with the little curl. Alright. I'm gonna take this. Going to put it through. Most of us know how to do this part. Alright. Then I like to wrap this way towards go that way towards the back. I pretty much keep the same wrapping all around because it makes it has less tension. If I wrap forward, I create more tension. I don't know how, but I've just found that this works. So I wrap this way at the root. Probably once or twice. I don't really like to do it that many times because the more times I do it, the less versatile it'll be at my root. But notice that I'm not pinching anything. I'm not holding anything down. I'm just flipping my wrist and that's it. So this keeps it nice and loose really. And then like every now and then I'll let it go to kind of see what kind of pattern it's making, but
taking it, and then what I will do, well, I made this piece longer, so maybe I am making it that long, because I would just kind of stop it here, but I didn't attach the piece to like the bottom, so I'm just gonna keep wrapping. Wrap. Notice I'm just using my wrist, so
I'll wrap a little bit more, and I'll split this, split into two. Wrap down some more because it creates like that skinnier part at the bottom, and split this again, wrap back up. Okay, and then I will tie a knot. Sometimes I don't always do this, it all depends on how it feels in my hand, where I kind of decide. For the last two little parts that are hanging, take my trusty scissors. Alright, these scissors, and we cut it off. And this is kind of like what it looks like. I like the messiness most of the time. Oh shoot. Oh. Drop the glue. Hey! Oh my god, this morning face stuff. Y'all don't see that. Okay. Alright. Back on topic. Don't judge me. I just woke up. I'm just trying to get this done. Alright. So I will put this down there sometimes. Not a lot, just a dab, and I'll take it and I'll push it together. And voila. Yep, there we have it. Yeah. Same thing with this one. I gotta fix it. So this is what it was doing on the side. And it was doing this because I decided to loop the braid, the deep wave hair. I looped it at my root and it just doesn't agree with that method. So, this is getting to me. Maybe I'll show one more. I'll show one more doing it in the front so you can see better. Okay, cool, gotcha. All right, but don't look at my face. We're gonna, yeah, there we go. Top of my head. All right, got this piece. Take this and braid it on. I think I may have tried to crochet this in the past. Like crochet it underneath, but I found it just made my root too thick. So you can do this with rubber bands too. My hair is long enough to that I don't have to do it with rubber bands anymore, but that's how I did it in the past. I will kind of try to insert a picture somewhere, maybe right here. But yeah, I like to. But yeah, I like twisting this down, create the versatility, bow, yeah, oh no. So here you see me just latch it through, but it made a split at my root that I didn't like, so I took it down in the next clip and then I redid it. I don't mind that it does the little split thing all the time. Sometimes it bothers me. I think right now is one of them times. So we're gonna adjust it. This is what they don't show you on here. A lot of times it's trial and error. Error. People always come up to me and they wonder how I do my hair. They're like, oh my god, how did you do that? Blah, blah, blah. And I'd be like, practice. Because that's truly what it is. And more than practice, sometimes it's just trying. Yeah, shish kebab. Oh no, let's try it this way. Yeah, I keep looking in my mirrors because it's kind of hard to see in this. I now see what all the other YouTubers. Oh, we're getting it. Oh my god, okay. One more time! Okay. Hey-ya! Alright, we're just gonna wrap. I think this is not really, it's not as hard as I'm probably making it look, but it's really hard to see. It's really hard to see in the finder, so wrap, split that piece, wrap back up. Split that piece, time a knot. Yes, this is higher up than before just because there's no real method to it, not gonna lie you guys. Sometimes you just it just is what it is. All right, two pieces. Bow. This one. Bow. And then for that little stub, I'll slide that down. This is the beauty of tying the knot up there. When you tie the knot up there, it's secure up here, so you can now, once you cut that off, there's usually like the little stubby end. I slide this down over it and voila. Wow. It's perfect. Wait, what is this? What is this little piece? No. Okay, it was perfect until I forgot to cut off this piece. And this piece. Alright. There we go! I'm going to finish my head. I'm so proud of myself. I really like this one. You ever feel like you gotta take out the other ones? See, this is what we don't want. We don't want that. We want this. Alright. I gotta stop saying alright. I'm gonna go finish. Then I'm gonna come back. Finally finished. Alright. I need to stop saying alright so much too. I'm gonna stop doing that. But I'm finally done, I think. I hope. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. This is the final product. Okay, as you can see, I have my side shaved. So it took me less than a couple days. I kept stopping, to be honest. But honestly, this is one of my the hairstyle that's taken the least amount of time. There we go. So it was a pretty cheap style. I just made it expensive by buying too much hair. But it's fine. I do plan to probably come back through it. A little bit, but here's the locs. They're super flexible. I'm gonna wear them to this side sometimes to kind of train them to go that way. But that's it. Finally done. Hey y'all, so this is the final product. I got my sides shaved yesterday. I'm redone. And that's it. That's basically the final product. Everything I did in the video. If you guys have any questions, comment below. This is my first time ever showing someone how I actually do my hair, so it was a little off. But thank y'all so much for watching.